Help. Help me. What it is, what ain't, what it's been, Yaga Crew. It's your girl Tanera Yaga, and welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome crew. I'm doing spring cleaning, gutting my room out. It's bad. I'm gonna show y'all. This is a no judgment zone, okay? But this is the part that I'm like, no judgment. And mind you, the drawers inside of my bed, they're full of clothes too. Both of these drawers is full of shoes. I'm gonna have to figure it out because something gonna have to give. I told myself I'm gonna get me some tote bins and like break my clothes down like with spring and summer clothes, and then do my fall and winter clothes together. For my 28th birthday, I am manifesting that I get my apartment because I not only want the space, I need the space, like on some real shit. Comment below if you watched Emily in Paris. That was a really good show. I feel like I need to go back though and rewatch some, because you know how you be like watching stuff at night and you fall asleep and then it'd be like 2-3 episodes then pass by. So that's why I'm like, I need to go back and rewatch it. That show was real juicy with like, as far as like relationships and stuff. Like, I ain't gonna lie, Paris is real scandalous, like real scandalous. But I love the fact that they are like open, like they don't hide their feelings. Like, they gonna speak on it. It is what it is. I'm sorry if it offends you, but I'm gonna get this off my chest. Like, that's what I liked about what they showed about Paris on that show. But that manager, the American manager, when she came over to Paris and she tried to like take over and start running everything, let me not go too deep into it, but yeah, she was just too much. So next, I want to work on cleaning off like my little nightstand area, because it's just a lot of products over here and I don't use half these products. So all this stuff I'm going to keep. I think I'm going to just toss in this bag for now. Have you guys ever used Honey Pot? This is my first time trying it. So as you can see, I haven't cleaned my dresser off in freaking forever. A little embarrassed to show you this, but hey, it's real life. It is what it is. I will be using this lean, and now let's organize. I really like this edge control. This edge control is good. Like, as you can see, I haven't done my edges in 2 days. And I haven't done my edges in 2 days, and this is what it looked like. So yeah, I was able to get everything organized the way that I see fit. I have my face products right here, lotion, body care, deodorant, all that good stuff, painkillers, and all of my hair products right there that I'm using right now, because I have braids, so I'm really not using a lot, in the products I use when I do like a low ponytail. So yeah, so boom, got that done. Next, what I want to work on is organizing my bra and panty drawer before I start putting up some of the clean clothes that I have. Yeah, I was able to organize this up a little bit better. I have my bralettes, bras, panties, my shapewear, bartending stockings and stuff, bartending and bikini wear and all that type of good stuff right there. So yeah. I was okay, so I'm done. I touched as much as I could possibly touch today. I want to eat some dinner, smoke me a nice blunt, but I was able to organize a lot. I still do have a lot of clothes. I already have 2 bags worth of Goodwill clothes already. I still got a lot left. Like, honestly, right now it don't even look like I really touched anything, but yeah, thank you for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video, comment down below as well, hold some conversations with me. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, because I love it when you come back and you visit me and you know, come and catch up with your girl. Also, have a blessed, productive, money-filled day. Peace. Watching the office. Take you out if you end up